Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Today I'm going to share with you my spring/Easter tablescape. I am going to go ahead and update the foyer, and again, using existing items from around the house. Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. I want to thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch today. Happy Easter to each and every one of you. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through our living room, share with you the small projects that took place and some things that are not so perfect. So let's go ahead and go to work. And of course, I added these large moss balls. I have 6 of them, but only 3 of them will fit here. Don't want to overdo it. The odd number is absolutely just fine. Now I've gotten your emails that some of you never received notifications. You hop over, you're 3 or 4 videos behind. I wish I knew and I wish I could resolve it. But what I'm thankful about is you still want to know what your girl is up to. And please continue to do just that. Now, Big Blue here, I've had it for some time. Remember, it was like one of my first chalk paint projects using homemade chalk paint. Well, I decided to give it an update, but unfortunately, I'm the one that's high risk and I cannot go out. So I'll get supplies for that a little bit later. See those scratches on it? Yeah, they're from Christmas decorating over the years. So yeah, it was definitely time for an update. So the vignette here has one of my beautiful ginger jars, and then it has a mirrored tray, which is normally on the coffee table, and then Rose Forever. Remember this beautiful box of 36 roses that they sent to me back in September 2019?
We're keeping it simple. We're adding a tea light candle and a little bit of water, a few drops of essential oil, and then my tea light candle, and I've got a subtle fragrance of lavender.
Now, even though I don't have a lot of blue and white, I still wanted this wall to pop a little bit. I wanted it to look like I had more than what I actually had. Now, I did order some acrylic sconces a while ago, but once the pandemic hit, well, everything slowed down. They're out there somewhere.
I do not mind, you guys, seeing our home where walls need to be painted or furniture needs to be painted or stained, whatever I decide to do, because I want to really impress upon you that you live in your home and it takes on a life of its own as you exist in it. So everything is on hold, but either way, I still want to keep refreshing these spaces, and I'm so inspired to keep going, aren't you?
So that's it for the living room, guys, and I hope you like this tour and seeing how things connect from the dining room to the foyer and then into the living room. I love coming up with ways to just update a space on a budget, and if I were to be your decorator coming into your home, the first thing I'd want to see is what you already have.
We are an upcycle house, a recycled house. We are a DIY house. And before my sinuses go completely bonkers, I want to express to you guys, please save your money, shop wisely, especially during this pandemic. There's nothing more important than your health. Now, I haven't decorated anything in the kitchen area. This nativity scene went up last year in November, and I repeatedly attempted to take it down, pack it up, but I could not. Something inside of me would not let me pack the nativity scene up. And now we have the pandemic. I just can't take it down, and I won't.
I want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. Thanks a lot for watching. Happy Easter, and as always, stay in prayer. I gotta add this one: stay safe and stay creative.